I am Dan.
And I am Deb.
And we are Water Wise.
When we first started converting our yard to native plants, we were rookies at it. So we made a lot of mistakes with choosing plants. If it's not the right plant for your area, you can invest a lot of time and work into growing that plant, and it's never going to flourish. We would like our yard to reflect what was in this area traditionally, and that was one of the reasons we chose this green buttonwood. It does well in this area that used to be mangrove islands.
We had a real issue because of the water that was coming off of the roof. We added a rain barrel, which will fill up in a matter of minutes during a storm.
Converting to natives allowed us to stop using pesticides and stop using fertilizer. Our yard is alive. We rarely come out here that we don't see bees or butterflies. When we had sod, we just didn't see these things.